John
chapter 19,
chapter 19,
12 to
12 to
22.
22.
From
Then
on Pilate sought to release him,
on Pilate sought to release him,
but the Jews cried out,
but the Jews cried
"If
out,
you release this man,
if you release this man,
you are not Caesar's friend."
you are not Caesar's friend.
Everyone
Everyone
who makes himself
who makes himself
a king
a king
opposes Caesar.
opposes Caesar.
So,
So
when Pilate heard these words,
when Pilate heard these words,
he brought Jesus out
he brought Jesus out
and sat down on the judgment seat
and sat down on the judgment seat
at a place called the stone pavement,
called the stone pavement,
and in Aramaic,
and an Aramaic
Gabbatha.
Gabbatha.
Now it was the day of
Now it was the day of
preparation of the Passover.
preparation of the Passover.
It was about the 6th hour.
It was about the 6th hour.
He said to the Jews,
He said to the Jews,
"Behold your king."
"Behold your king."
They cried out,
They cried out,
"Away with him,
"Away with him!
away with him,
Away with him!
crucify him."
Crucify him!"
Pilate said to them,
Pilate said to him,
"Shall I crucify your king?"
"Shall I crucify your king?"
The chief priests answered,
The chief priest answered,
"We have no king
"We have no king
but Caesar."
but Caesar."
So he delivered him
So he delivered him
over to them
over to them
to be crucified.
to be crucified.
So they took Jesus,
So they took Jesus
and he went out
and he went out
bearing his own cross
wearing his own cross
to the place called
to the place called
the place of the skull, the place of a skull,
the place of a skull,
which in Aramaic
which in Aramaic
is called
it's called
Golgotha.
Golgotha.
There
There
they crucified him,
they crucified him
and with him
and with him
two others,
two others,
one on either side,
one on either side,
and Jesus between them.
and Jesus between them.
Pilate also wrote
Pilate also wrote
an inscription
an inscription
and put it on the cross.
and put it on the cross.
It read,
It reads,
"Jesus of Nazareth,
Jesus of Nazareth,
the King of the Jews."
the King of the Jews.
Many of the Jews
Many of the Jews
read this inscription
read this inscription
for the place
for the place
where Jesus was crucified
where Jesus was crucified
was near the city,
was near the city,
and it was written
and it was written
in Aramaic,
in Aramaic,
in Latin,
in Latin,
and in Greek.
and Greek.
So the chief priests
So the chief priest
of the Jews
of the Jews
said to Pilate,
said to Pilate,
"Do not write
"Do not write
the King of the Jews,
the King of the Jews,
but rather
but rather
this man said,
this man said,
I am King of the Jews."
I am King of the Jews."
Pilate answered,
Pilate answered,
"What I have written,
"What I have written,
I have written."
I have written."
John
John
chapter 19,
chapter 19,
23 to
23 to
32.
32.
When the soldiers had crucified
When the soldiers had crucified
Jesus,
Jesus,
they took his garments
they took his garments
and divided them
and divided them
into 4 parts,
into 4 parts,
1 part for each soldier,
1 part for each soldier.
also his tunic.
Also his tunic.
But the tunic was
But the tunic was
seamless,
seamless,
woven in one piece,
even in one place,
from top to bottom.
from top to bottom.
So they said to
So they said to
one another,
one another,
"Let us not tear it,
"Let us not tear it,
but
but
cast lots
cast lots
for it,
for it
to see
to see
whose it shall be.
whose it shall be.
This was to fulfill
This was to fulfill
the scripture
the scripture
which says,
which says
they divided
they divided
my garments
my garment
among them,
among them,
and for my clothing
and from my clothing
they cast lots.
they cast lots.
So the soldiers
So the soldiers
did these things,
did these things,
but standing by the cross
but standing by the cross
of Jesus
of Jesus
were
were
his mother
his mother
and his mother's sister,
and his mother's sister
Mary,
Mary,
the wife of Clopas,
the wife of Clopas,
and Mary Magdalene.
and Mary Magdalene.
When Jesus saw his mother
Jesus saw his mother
and the disciple
and the disciple
whom he loved
whom he loved
standing nearby,
standing nearby.
he said to his mother,
He said to his mother,
Woman,
Woman,
behold your son.
behold your son.
Then he said to the disciple,
Then he said to the disciple,
Behold
Behold
your mother.
your mother.
And from that hour,
And from that hour,
the disciple
the disciple
took her
to her
to his own home.
to his own home.
After this,
After this,
Jesus, knowing that
Jesus, knowing that
all was now finished,
all was now finished,
said to
said to
fulfill the scripture,
fulfill the scripture,
I thirst.
I thirst.
A jar
A jar
full of sour wine
full of sour wine
stood there.
stood there.
So they put a sponge
So they put a sponge
full of the sour wine
full of the sour wine
on a
on a
hyssop branch
hyssop branch
and held it to his mouth.
and held it to his mouth.
When Jesus had
When Jesus had
received the sour wine,
received the sour wine,
he said,
he said,
It is finished.
It is finished.
And he bowed his head
And he bowed his head
and gave up his spirit.
and gave up his spirit.
Since it was the day of preparation,
Since it was day of preparation,
and so that
and so that
the bodies would not remain
the bodies would not remain
on the cross
on the cross
on the Sabbath.
on the Sabbath.
For that Sabbath was a
But that Sabbath was a
high day.
high day.
The Jews asked Pilate
The Jews asked Pilate
that their legs might be broken and they might be
and they might be
taken away. So the soldiers came
So the soldiers came
and broke the legs of the first
and broke the legs of the first
and of the other
and of the other
who had been crucified with him. Who had been crucified
who had been crucified of
with him.
with him.